It's your boy Marcel. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button, hit that like button. Alright man, let's get into the video. Get it? So y'all see how I'm looking? The waves are popping. My hair right now is pretty. It's kind of starting to itch, so that's telling me that I gotta wash it. But y'all can tell me how my waves looking. You give me a rating from 1 to 10, or don't rate me. Just be like, oh, they look nice, or just give me a like button. You know, smash the like button. I mean, to just like, you know, give me a rating on my waves. You can do that, or you can comment. It's up to y'all. But yeah, man, y'all see how the waves looking? So in today's video, this is the 2 products we're gonna be using. We're gonna be using a comb. If you want this comb, link in the description, and the mirror also in the description. So if you're a beginner waver, I'm gonna get right to the point. Ain't about to waste no time. If you're a beginner waver, you wanna get your mirror. You see, I have a couple of entanglements around here. So what we're gonna do, a little bit. If you're a beginner waver, you wanna get your comb and go just like this. Comb your hair out just like this. Just comb it down. Just breaking it, you know what I'm saying? This really helps with bettering your connections. Right now I'm combing my hair. I do hear static. You know what I'm saying? The static is like electricity, because you know, with black people we have a lot of energy. That was kind of corny. Okay, but so you go ahead and you just break the forks like this, bettering your connections as well. So you just do that, right? Got you. Alrighty, boys. And then the next side, I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate. This is probably gonna be a quick video, very, very simple and easy video. I think anybody can do this. If anybody who is a beginner and starting to get waves, anybody can do this, right? Okay, so then the next side, you wanna continuously do the same thing, break it. You know what I'm saying? Loosen up the hairs, just comb it in that direction, right? If you're a beginner waver, you definitely need to be combing every single day. I comb every single day. If I don't comb, my waves are gonna be all over the place. And why am I saying that is because when you comb, it really, man, it feels good. It loosens up your hairs, and then when you hit your waves with that hard brush, man, you can feel a difference. I promise you can feel a difference. What I'm gonna do for you boys, for the beginners, probably gonna do a whole breakdown video of what you really need to do, what you need to keep in mind on how to maintain, and you know, a whole bunch of other tips. So I'm dropping bangers. I'm dropping videos every other day, so because on my off days I do other things. So yeah, man, stay tuned. But you know what I'm saying? So you want to comb like this, comb just like this, bro. Just really, I mean, you could comb like me, or you could comb it the way you brush your hair. So this is how I brush my hair. So I just, you know, I'm hitting that. And you can see I have a fork right here. Hold on, let me see if y'all can see it. It's like right there. That's the fork. And I've been trying to get this out for like months now. And it's finally starting to move. So you just really, I mean, this is really all that's it. So, and there's another method I advise you to do as well. If you're a beginner, you can do this. You can definitely do this. They say beginners can't do it. I doubt it. I believe y'all can do it. Just don't do it while your hair is like wet, right? So what you want to do is, we're going to start from the back. We're going to go up. We're going to comb upward. All right, so you comb your hair upward, just like this. People say your hair has to be trained to do this. Your hair does not have to be trained to do this. No. Why? Is because if your hair is not wet, it's gonna lay right back down. It's gonna lay right back down. So you can see, we're just combing this out. Let's comb that out. All right. And y'all can see, man, I got a little mini afro going on. I look kind of crazy right now with it, but you can see how I'm rocking. All right, so we're going this way. Y'all see how it is, man. Y'all see it. Your boy putting in that brush work, man. Dropping these bangers for y'all. Hey, man, if you liking the video so far, hit that subscribe button. On the road to 200, man. So after you really comb it out, you comb it all the way out to the crown. I usually go halfway. I don't go too much in the crown. Then you start from the crown. You start right here. Comb that bad boy down. Comb it right back down. If you're a beginner, you can definitely do this. This is gonna help you better your connections very, very quick. And it's gonna help you have your waves popping and looking flawless. So you can see my waves are just laying right back down. Laying right back down. So y'all see how it is, man. So it's not bad, man. I mean, if you're a beginner, man, and you're doing these methods that I'm showing you, you're definitely gonna have better waves, you know. And I want to help beginners, man. I love helping beginners because there's a lot of beginners. There's a lot of beginners. So waves are the move. You can just see. So yep. So I laid it back down, man. Again, I'm gonna show y'all one more time, and then I'm gonna end the video. So you start from right here, you comb down, working your way around. Just working your way around, nice and slow. You can get the front too. If you got a mustache, you can comb your mustache. No, I'm just joking. I'm joking. Okay, so you comb from right here, and then in the front you go like this. Just how you brush your hair. You know what I'm saying? How you brush your hair on a daily basis. You get the sides, you get the crown. All right, man. That's it. Let's go. Okay. Alrighty, man. This is the connections video. This is how you really better your connections. Why do I say using the Why do I say go back to using this method? Because this is the original method, man. A lot of people got all these new methods and stuff. Beginners, you cannot do those methods because your hair must be trained to do all them extra methods that people are doing to get their connections quick and all that. If you're a beginner waver, you want to better your connections, definitely like and subscribe to this channel, and also do this method that I'm doing. Please do this. It's very simple. It's gonna help you all because y'all beginners and y'all want to know how to start and get your way up. So in that case, this is the end of the video. My name's Marcel. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you boys in the next one. Peace.